Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to www.kitchenwithnabila.com. The article of this video is available on my website. You can visit my website. The website link is in the description. And welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making cornbread, which is very tasty and you can eat it with greens in winter. By the way, it is very easy to make cornbread, but some people get confused while making it that it breaks inside. So today I am going to make it my own, so you must watch the whole video. So before I start making today's recipe, you must subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I have all the equipment to make cornbread. So I have a bowl of cornflour. First of all, I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt to taste. After adding salt, I will mix it well. Now I am adding a cup of milk into it. I am putting about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in it. Now I will mix them well by hands. And now I will put a little bit of water in it and knead it well with my hands. This I have kneaded the dough well and I will knead it well by hands for again 5 minutes. After kneading the dough, I finally put a little oil on it. After kneading the dough well, I will keep it covered for 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I will remove the cover from top of the bowl. First of all, I will raise my hands to the floor. You have to carry a lot of corn flour in your hands. That is why it is not wheat flour but corn flour. And now I will make a dough. After making the dough of corn flour, first I will put some dry flour. After that, I will make it bigger with the help of hands. We will not use bulldozer here, because we have to make cornbread thick. That's why we not used to anything. So today we will learn to make bread with the help of hands. After that, I will apply oil on the dough with a brush. After applying the oil, I will put bread on top of it and make it bigger with the help of my hands. In the same way, we will increase the bread with the help of our hands. Now I will bake the bread on a normal flame for so long that it has a light brown color on one side and it will cook well inside. After baking bread from one side, I am changing its side. In this way, the light brown color for the bread has come. I will let it bake on the other side for so long that it will cook well from inside till its light brown color comes. The other side of the bread is also cooked and I am applying cooking oil on it with a brush. Now I will change its side and let it cook. After baking the cornbread, I put it in the tray. Now I will make the second cornbread in the same way. So after the second cornbread is cooked, I will put it in the tray. So mashallah, all today's cornbread recipe is ready. And by the way, this is a simple and unique recipe that you can easily make at home. So you will definitely try with the method I have made and explained. And you will definitely let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe and today's video. And if you like today's video, you must like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to wait for my next video and also subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. He will take care of himself. He will definitely remember me in my prayers. Allah Hafiz.